Trump just threatened Europe again with a 100% tariff if any country taxes American digital companies. 100% on all goods. And he said it would override trade deals already signed, which is an elegant way of saying, nice agreement you have there, shame if someone taxed Google. But beware, the real fight is the question just underneath the tariffs. When a platform makes money from European users, who get to tax that value? The typical answer from the 20th century came from the question, where is the company located? Where is the office, the factory, the headquarters, the taxable profit? But then, the digital economy broke that question. A platform can sell advertising in France, run a marketplace in Italy, monetize users in Spain, shape public life in Germany, and still say that the real tax claim lives in Ireland. Europe's answer has been imperfect, but an improvement. If value is being created in your market, by your users, through your attention, your data, your sellers, and your advertisers, then your society has a tax claim on it. That is the principle behind digital services taxes. Also, they tend to be small, usually around 2 or 3%. The UK raised about £800 million from one last year. The European Parliament estimates that an EU-wide version could raise tens of billions of euros. That is real fiscal capacity for the EU. But focus on this. The global solution was supposed to be the OECD tax deal that would shift some taxing rights toward the countries where customers and users actually are. And in exchange, digital services taxes would eventually disappear. But Trump declared that the global tax deal had no force or effect in the United States. So, basically, he blew the global deal. He doesn't want a European tax or a national fallback. American platforms, in this sense, may earn money from European users, but if Europe taxes the revenue, Washington calls it discrimination and reaches for the tariffs. Apparently, Europe is a real market only when American companies sell into it, but a fake jurisdiction when Europe tries to tax them. This is the US claiming the right to decide where the digital economy may be taxed, even when the value is produced inside our society. Just to be clear, that is not free enterprise. That is a fiscal empire dressed up as a trade complaint.